Hi friends, welcome to our channel. So in this video we're going to see extrude. So using this feature we can create a 3D extrude part. To create a 3D part we need to create a 2D sketch. So as usual we have to create a sketch using a plane. To create a plane we have to select the plane, which plane we're going to create a 2D sketch. So once you select the plane, click the sketch and create a rectangular sketch. So now give the sketch with dimensions according to our size. So make sure whenever you create a sketch, the sketch should be fully defined. To add more sketch entities, we need to use sketch edit option to re-edit the sketch. Once the sketch is completed, so make sure the sketch is fully defined and come out of the sketch. So now go to the feature and click the Extruded Boss option and create the 3D part. So use this option and create a 3D part. Click the sketches which you need to extrude. So here you can see different options to create Extruded Boss. So using blend option, you can estimate your thickness and you can edit the thickness giving your dimension size. So next one is mid plane. Using this option, you can create a extrude thickness equal to the center. Click the face of the 3D part and click normal too. To edit the feature thickness, click edit feature and now we can see the part is editable. So now we can change the size of the thickness. So if you want to add more sketch entities, so right click and click the edit sketch option and add the sketches. So once you added the sketches, make sure the sketch is fully defined. So once you come out from the sketch, now we can see the 3D part. Now we can go to the edit feature and click the sketch entities. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel.